This is a tutorial for how to use the Your Food Store app as an employee. First, you're gonna go into your settings at the top right, and there's a list of settings here. You care about the edit item settings. These are the item templates that you're gonna use to post an item with. We already have some here, but go ahead and hit add item, and you can put the title, the tax for the item, the sales tax, the original price, and the description. These can all be changed later, so don't worry if you make a mistake. To take a photo, you hit the take photo button. It might ask you for a allow camera, just say allow. Now, once you do that, come back and hit refresh. This is gonna show you the item that you just added. And you can go and change those certain fields here if you need to. Now go back out. This is the main page. Anything on the items page is for sale, okay? We have nothing for sale right now in the store, and let's change that. To add an item, you will hit publish new item, and the items that you just created will pop up. You'll click on one and change the discounted price. Let's change this to 50. You can change the description and the title as well. Now come in and change the time of when they need to come pick it up. Let's put this to 7 when the store closes. You're gonna edit the total quantity, and then you can choose to add max items per customer. This is rarely used. This is for if you want customers to only be able to buy a certain amount. Other than that, you might never use this. Hit publish item, refresh, and the item you just did will be right here. Now, you can come in here at any time, change the quantity, the time, you can change the description, anything. I'm gonna lower the price down to 0 and hit update. Now, if you refresh, you'll see the item's 100% off. Now, if we go to the companion user app and refresh, there's our item right there. The user is gonna add this to the cart, check out, add a payment information. Since this is 0, it will go through without card and place the order. And there it is right here. And if we go to the store app, to the orders page, you'll see we just got an order at 226, this is ours, for Daniel Boyer. This user will have a confirmation code on their phone as well. This is to see if they're the actual user that bought the item. You will ask the customer and say, can I get your confirmation number? They'll tell you the number, and then you'll confirm, and you know it's them. This will tell you the quantity to give them, the title, and any other list of items that they buy. Once the order is prepared and you put it in a bag or get it ready for the user, you'll hit this order prepared. This will send a notification to the user that says their order has been prepared. If you go back to the store app and refresh, you'll see this order is now yellow. Yellow meaning it is prepared. Once the customer picks it up, you can hit complete order. Customer will get a notification knowing the order is complete. And then the order will now turn green, signifying it's complete. There's a filter button right here where you can filter and say, I don't want to see completed. If you hit done, that will take away all completed orders. Now, if you go back to this page and refresh, there's now 4 left. And this quantity can be changed anytime depending on what items a customer has bought.